This is the Pirelli Scorpion Verde All Season, a crossover and SUV tyre designed with a focus on safety and performance regardless of the weather. It's been designed to give drivers confidence in both braking and handling in wet conditions. Thanks to the large contact patch to optimise grip, and these 4 longitudinal grooves channel water away from this contact patch to ensure grip in those wet conditions. If you need a tyre you can trust whatever the weather throws at you, then the Pirelli Scorpion Verde All Season has improved performance in various conditions. And that is because of this longitudinal side pin and high lateral side pin density. And don't forget to stay up to date on all things tyres and servicing, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And Pirelli haven't forgotten about driver comfort either, with optimised pitch sequencing and phasing for low internal cabin noise. So there we have it, that is the Pirelli Scorpion Verde All Season. A tyre perfect for crossover and SUV drivers who prioritise safety and performance regardless of what season it is. If you want to find out more, head to edentyres.com.